Shiba Inus are in a terrible state right now. The price of Shiba Inus is in ruins. Investors are in a panic. When will this decline end? It appears that we will soon be able to witness it. Just the US government's recent shocking revelation about Shiba Inu could halt the decline in its value and propel it toward a new all-time high. What am I even talking about, and what is going on? Let me clarify. Disclaimer. What's happening? After surging just 2 days earlier, Shiba Inu suddenly made a complete 180-degree turn, giving everyone cause for celebration. In the past day, the price has abruptly dropped precipitously, and this is not a minor decline. Rather, it is a significant one. Shiba Inus had dropped before, of course, but this one hurts. The excitement was genuine. For a little moment, it seemed as though we were back on track after days of witnessing the price fight. Suddenly, however, everything fell apart once more. All of the joy and hope vanished in a flash. For the ardent Shiba Inu supporters who believed we were finally safe, it's particularly cruel. It seemed like a turning point 1 minute, and then the market just pulled a fast one the next. What just took place then? The problem is that one expert just raised the alert due to this erratic price movement. Shiba Inu may be having problems. The issue is that it's having trouble maintaining important support levels, and if it continues to deteriorate, things may become ugly. Shiba Inu is currently trading lower than it was a day ago, and there is a genuine possibility that its price will drop by another zero. That is significant. Recently, the meme currency attempted to reverse its downward trend, but it was strongly rejected rather than rising. It immediately fell back down after that rejection, and as investors begin to lose hope in a speedy rebound, the pressure to sell is only growing. Shiba Inus may decline much further if they are unable to maintain their current level of support, potentially hitting a psychological tipping point that nobody wants to witness. And should that occur, investor confidence may be further eroded, which would accelerate the price decline. There is yet hope, though. Shiba Inu may have an opportunity to recover strength before attempting to climb back up if it can locate a stable area and consolidate. The best case scenario is a strong rebound that puts Shiba Inu back on a bullish trajectory and drives the price above its most recent highs. However, the signals don't seem promising at the moment. Shiba Inu may continue to decline until the bulls intervene to protect important levels as selling pressure increases. Additionally, it can set off a more severe market downturn if it drops another zero. So you may be asking yourself, what's really happening? What caused Shiba Inu to abruptly dive? Let's take a closer look at the larger picture. As it happens, Bitcoin is currently acting in the same manner. When it fell below the significant $80,000 threshold, it startled everyone and sent shockwaves across the market. Nearly $1 billion was lost in liquidations in the last day alone, and Bitcoin was unable to withstand the selling onslaught. It is currently trading at levels we haven't seen since late 2024 after slipping past its main support. This decline is also more than a minor setback. It is a component of a larger correction that may cause Bitcoin to drop even farther before stabilizing. Crypto whales have been moving large quantities of Bitcoin over the last few days, which has added to the instability. One researcher claims that in just 96 hours, more than 40,000 Bitcoin transactions took place. That's a significant sum, and significant actions like this typically indicate that something is developing behind the scenes. As we observed earlier in the year, another analyst predicts that Bitcoin may go into a lengthy period of consolidation, even falling even lower before settling into a new range between $75,000 and $100,000. Additionally, the remainder of the cryptocurrency market is affected when Bitcoin struggles. The decline in Shiba Inu's price is a component of a broader upheaval. At least temporarily, if Bitcoin continues to decline, everything else may follow suit. And Donald Trump is the one responsible for all of this. Yes, the tariffs are back. Trump doubled down on imposing big tariffs on China, Canada, and Mexico in the coming days, sending investors into a panic. The market was rocked by this news, which led to a vicious sell-off. Bitcoin suffered a severe setback, plunging over 8% and hitting its lowest level since November of last year. and Shiba Inu and the rest of the cryptocurrency market go down with Bitcoin when it plummets like that. Everyone is on edge right now. The market is being driven by fear, and investors are quickly retreating due to the uncertainty. The sharp decline in the price of Bitcoin isn't merely a coincidental one. Rather, it's a response to mounting apprehension about the potential economic impact of these tariffs. There may be even more volatility in the days ahead if things continue in this path. However, the good news is that there is still cause for celebration. Today, the SEC made a shocking announcement that is actually excellent for Shiba Inu. The U.S. SEC's Division of Corporation Finance made the unexpected announcement that meme currencies such as Shiba Inu are not securities. This is enormous. The SEC clarified Wednesday in a statement that meme coins are exempt from federal securities regulations. Instead, due to their speculative character, they are being classified as collectibles. The SEC claims that these tokens are less about real investments and more about community involvement, online memes, and cultural trends. To put it another way, consumers purchase them for enjoyment rather than because they anticipate a business or firm will make a profit. Additionally, since Shiba Inu isn't regarded as a security, transactions involving it don't require registration. The absence of U.S. securities laws eliminates a significant regulatory barrier that might have led to issues later. There is a little catch, though, as the SEC made sure to note that meme coins are not risk-free. They may still be subject to action from other regulators if any fraudulent activity is discovered. Nevertheless, this is a significant victory for Shiba Inu and the meme coin industry overall. Although this may appear to be just another headline, it's actually quite important for Shiba Inu, and freedom is the cause, and that's a huge deal in the crypto realm. We've all seen how disastrous it can get when restrictions ensnare cryptocurrency. Everything abruptly slows down when governments intervene and begin to tighten regulations. As a result, some projects are even totally destroyed. One of the main causes of several cryptocurrencies never realizing their full potential is regulations. Investors are alarmed by the uncertainty alone, and values often plummet when legal issues arise. The problem is that none of these holds true because Shiba Inus are not regarded as securities. No significant limitations, no ongoing legal issues, just total flexibility to continue expanding. And this is really huge for the developers. Without having to deal with legal turmoil or wait for permissions, they can work quickly, release improvements, and genuinely improve Shiba Inu's ecology. This implies further advancements, improvements, and opportunities to strengthen Shiba Inus. And if we know anything about cryptocurrency, it's that excitement increases as a project continues to develop, and the price rises in tandem with the thrill. This type of event has the potential to cause Shiba Inu's price to soar to unprecedented heights. It provides room for the project to expand, bringing in new utilities and solidifying its position as a key participant in the market. This might be a pivotal moment if the team plays their cards correctly, not just for a price recovery, but also for a breakout. Although it may not seem like much at the moment, this could turn out to be one of the most significant events in Shiba Inu's destiny. In relation to developments, we are currently witnessing one. Shiba Inu and Ethereum recently received a significant update that might help halt the price decline. Ethereum is preparing for a significant update that might fundamentally alter the way transactions operate. Staking, wallets, and overall scalability will all see significant improvements with the Petra upgrade, which is scheduled to launch in early 2025.